Hi guys, welcome. Right, so I can't face the camera that way, so the sun is literally in my face. So it's the first time I've ever mounted this, guys, so just bear with me. I'm assuming this is the mount side. Okay, let's mount that in. I ain't got a lot of time. The time is 1956. The sun's right in my eyes. So I need to put that in first. So I tried to mount something yesterday. Let's make sure that's locked right in. And then just loosen it off a little bit. So I'm going to start off with one shot, just coming through the window. And then I'll go to the end of... so I'll just mount that on there. Probably mount it the other way. So if I just mount it there anyway. Okay. That's not moving. Let's take this off. Let's put this back in the box so it doesn't get lost. And all these, if I just put that mount on there. Alright. Make sure that mount's screwed right in. Let's get the GoPro on there. Let's take it off that. On there. See if you're filming still. Yep, still filming. You keep an eye on the time. So what we're going to do, we're going to mount this onto here. GoPro turn off. It is off. Good. That's what happens when you start moving it around. There's like a rubber seal there. I might as well keep the washer on there. Ah, oh, bugger. There we go. Come on, get in there. That's it. Okay. Normally I'm going to... I might link it up to... If I just put that around the other way... I've just lost the washer again. So I need to take the door off. So I'm going to actually use the power from the car, save my GoPro batteries. So I'm actually trying to keep them charged, ready for Dartmoor. Right, so we want to do that in that position. Just for now. In that position. I've got that sun going right in my eyes. Turn it on. Mind my big head. So we're going to do it in that position there, and just try that position. I'll go around the other side. So I needed to see the screen. So we're going to try this position, but that's actually moving. Maybe I haven't got it clamped in properly. So if I just put that there at the bottom, maybe there, just clamp that right in. It's a slight movement in there. So that's basically going to do there. And what I'll do, I'll drive to, so that's not moving, I'll drive to Leon Solent and I'll film setting up the next shot when I get there. Alright guys, catch you in a bit. So that's the magic arm, as you can see there. I'll just show you, bring you around. Mind the sun. So that one's a magic arm, so that's a little bit movement in there, but there's no movement in this joint here, so maybe I need to make that a bit thicker. Maybe, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so please like, comment, subscribe and see you in another video. Bye bye.